For years, the Linux desktop has lived in a strange space. It has always been powerful, flexible, and in many ways ahead of its time. Yet somehow it has remained just outside the mainstream spotlight. While operating systems like Windows and Mac OS dominate conversations about personal computing, Linux has often been viewed as the platform for developers, system administrators, and enthusiasts willing to spend hours configuring every detail of their system. But every so often, a Linux distribution appears that challenges that perception entirely. It arrives not as a niche project for technical users, but as a polished, accessible platform designed for everyday people. And now, all eyes are on what could become one of the most significant Linux releases in years. Zorin OS 19. The anticipation surrounding Zorin OS 19 is unlike anything we've seen for a Linux desktop release in recent memory. It isn't just another version update with minor tweaks and cosmetic changes. This release represents a bold vision for where Linux on the desktop could go next. It's about making open source computing feel less like an alternative and more like the obvious choice. For users frustrated with the growing complexity of modern operating systems, increasing privacy concerns, bloated updates, and hardware demands that seem to grow every year, Zorin OS 19 could offer something refreshingly different. To understand why this release matters so much, we need to look at what Zorin OS has accomplished over the years. Since its beginning, Zorin OS has focused on a simple but ambitious mission: to make Linux easy and approachable for everyone. While many distributions prioritize customization, technical depth, or experimental features, Zorin has consistently focused on usability first. It was built for people making the transition from Windows or Mac OS, offering a familiar environment without sacrificing the power and freedom of Linux underneath. That philosophy is exactly why Zorin has built such a dedicated following. It doesn't overwhelm users with endless options or force them to learn entirely new work. Instead, it creates an experience that feels instantly comfortable. Install it, boot it up, and within minutes, you know how to navigate the desktop, launch applications, manage files, and get to work. That kind of simplicity is deceptively difficult to achieve, especially in the Linux world where fragmentation and complexity are often part of the ecosystem. Zorin OS 19 appears ready to take that philosophy even further. Based on everything we know so far, this release is shaping up to be a major leap forward, not just for Zorin itself, but for the Linux desktop experience as a whole. It promises deeper performance optimization, smarter hardware support, a more refined interface, better application, compatibility, and features designed specifically for modern workflows. In many ways, it feels less like an update and more like a statement. One of the biggest reasons people are paying attention to Zorin OS 19 is timing. The desktop operating system landscape is changing rapidly. Microsoft continues to push increasingly restrictive hardware requirements for Windows, leaving millions of perfectly capable systems behind. Windows updates have become larger, more intrusive, and often more frustrating. Privacy concerns continue to grow as telemetry and cloud integration become deeply embedded into the operating system. At the same time, Apple's ecosystem remains polished but expensive, locking users into hardware choices that often come with premium price tags. If you want flexibility, control, and affordability, the options in mainstream computing are becoming increasingly limited. This is exactly the environment where Linux distributions like Zorin OS have an opportunity to shine. And unlike many Linux distributions that require technical confidence to truly enjoy, Zorin is designed specifically for users who just want their computer to work. That's what makes version 19 so important. If it can deliver on expectations, it could become the release that finally convinces a much larger audience that Linux is not just viable, but preferable. The desktop design is expected to be one of the most noticeable upgrades in Zorin OS 19. Zorin has always been known for its elegant visual presentation. It strikes a balance between familiarity and modernity, offering layouts that resemble Windows, Mac, and even more unique desktop paradigms depending on user preference. This flexibility allows users to choose an interface that feels natural without requiring them to relearn everything. With version 19, the visual refinements are expected to go much deeper. Reports suggest smoother animations, better consistency across system applications, improved theming, and a more polished design language overall. These changes may sound cosmetic, but they matter more than many people realize. Visual cohesion affects how intuitive a system feels. It affects confidence. It affects comfort. When an interface feels thoughtfully designed, users trust it more. They feel more willing to explore and experiment. This is especially important for people switching from proprietary operating systems. Their first impression often determines whether they stick with Linux or return to what they know. Zorin understands this better than most. Performance is another area where Zorin OS 19 is expected to excel. Linux has always had an advantage when it comes to efficiency, but Zorin has historically focused on translating that technical efficiency into real-world responsiveness. Faster boot times, lower memory usage, snappier application launches, and smoother multitasking all contribute to a desktop experience that feels genuinely fast. This matters enormously for older hardware. One of Linux's greatest strengths is its ability to breathe new life into aging systems. While Windows 11 pushes users toward expensive upgrades, Zorin offers a way to keep existing machines relevant for years longer. Version 19 is expected to continue this tradition with further optimization that could make it one of the best. Options for reviving older laptops and desktops. But this isn't just about older machines. Modern hardware support is equally critical, and Zorin OS 19 is expected to include newer kernel versions, UPD, AT drivers, and improved compatibility for the latest processors, GPUs, and peripherals. This means better out-of-the-box experiences for gamers, creators, and professionals who need their hardware fully supported from day one. Application compatibility is another crucial piece of the puzzle. One of the biggest barriers to Linux adoption has always been software availability. While native Linux applications have improved dramatically over the years, many users still depend on software designed for Windows or Mac. Zorin has worked hard to reduce this friction, and version 19 appears set to improve things even further. Its compatibility layer tools make it easier to install and run Windows applications without complicated setup processes. For users who need access to specific productivity tools, business applications, or legacy software, this can make all the difference. It transforms Linux from a compromise into a practical daily driver. Then there's gaming, perhaps the most dramatic area of Linux progressed over the past few years. Thanks to technologies like Proton and the work being done across the Linux gaming ecosystem, playing modern games on Linux has become shockingly viable. Zorin OS 19 is expected to leverage these advancements fully, offering better graphics stack integration and smoother gaming performance. For years, gaming was considered Linux's weakest point. Today, that perception is rapidly changing. A polished distribution like Zorin that makes gaming accessible without terminal commands or manual driver configuration could introduce a whole new audience to Linux. Security and privacy are also central to Zorin's appeal. In an era where operating systems increasingly collect user data, track behavior, and integrate cloud services deeply into local computing, many people are looking for alternatives that respect user autonomy. Linux has always offered transparency, and Zorin packages that transparency into an accessible experience. Zorin OS 19 is expected to build on this foundation with updated security frameworks, better sandboxing options, and more robust system protections. But perhaps more importantly, it continues the broader Linux philosophy of giving users control over their own devices. Your computer works for you, not the other way around. That principle resonates strongly today. More users are questioning who controls their data, what software is doing behind the scenes, and whether convenience is worth the trade-off. Zorin offers a compelling answer. Convenience doesn't have to come at the expense of control. One of the most exciting aspects of Zorin OS 19 is its potential to redefine first impressions. For many people, trying Linux once and having a frustrating experience was enough to turn them away permanently. Maybe the Wi-Fi didn't work. Maybe software installation felt confusing. Maybe the interface felt alien. Those experiences create a perception problem that Linux has spent years trying to overcome. Zorin is uniquely positioned to change that narrative because it approaches desktop computing from the user's perspective rather than the enthusiast perspective. Everything from installation to system setup is designed to reduce friction. Version 19 is expected to refine this even further with improved onboarding, smarter hardware detection, and better guidance for new users. These aren't flashy features, but they are exactly what turn curiosity into adoption. Another reason this release feels so significant is how mature the Linux desktop ecosystem has become. A decade ago, many distributions were still rough around the edges. Essential workflows often required command-line knowledge. Driver support was inconsistent. Software options were limited. That world has changed dramatically. Today, Linux desktops can handle web browsing, office productivity, media creation, software development, gaming, and everyday computing with impressive reliability, the foundation is stronger than ever. What distributions like Zorin are doing now is polishing that foundation into something mainstream. They're taking years of back-end progress and translating it into user-facing excellence. Zorin OS 19 could represent the clearest expression of that evolution yet. There's also something bigger happening here. The rise of Linux on the desktop is no longer just about enthusiasts advocating for open source. It's increasingly driven by dissatisfaction with mainstream alternatives. People are actively searching for systems that prioritize performance, privacy, longevity, and user control. That shift changes everything. Linux is no longer just an ideological choice. For many users, it's becoming a practical solution to real frustrations. Zorin's greatest strength is that it meets these users where they are. It doesn't demand technical expertise. It doesn't expect ideological commitment to open source principles. It simply offers a better experience and lets that experience speak for itself. The educational sector could particularly benefit from what Zorin OS 19 offers. Schools and universities often struggle with limited budgets while needing reliable computing platforms for students and staff. Traditional operating systems come with licensing costs, hardware upgrade pressures, and management complexities. A polished Linux distribution like Zorin presents an alternative that is cost-effective, secure, and capable. It allows institutions to extend hardware life, reduce software expenses, and provide students with access to a modern computing environment. Version 19's expected improvements in usability and compatibility could make it even more attractive for these environments. If deployment becomes easier and maintenance simpler, educational adoption could accelerate significantly. Small businesses are another audience worth watching. Many rely on older hardware and need systems that are stable, secure, and affordable. Zorin OS 19's balance of familiarity and efficiency makes it particularly appealing here. For teams transitioning from Windows, the familiar desktop layouts reduce training requirements. The Linux Foundation provides security and flexibility. The lower resource demands extend hardware lifespan. Together, these benefits create a compelling business case. And then there's the simple reality that users are tired of operating systems getting in their way. They want tools that enable productivity rather than constantly interrupting it with updates, notifications, account prompts, and background processes. Zorin's minimalist, focused approach addresses this directly. It emphasizes computing as a means to an end rather than an ecosystem to be monetized. That's an increasingly rare philosophy in modern software. As excitement builds for Zorin OS 19, expectations are understandably high. But what makes this release particularly interesting is that it doesn't need to reinvent desktop computing to succeed. It simply needs to refine and perfect what already works. Sometimes the most meaningful progress isn't radical innovation. It's thoughtful iteration. It's smoothing rough edges, improving reliability, and making great technology accessible to more people. That appears to be exactly what Zorin OS 19 is aiming for. If it delivers, it could become the Linux release that shifts broader public perception. The one people point to when asked whether Linux is finally ready for everyday users. The one that transforms curiosity into genuine adoption. And perhaps most importantly, it could demonstrate that the future of desktop computing doesn't have to follow the increasingly restrictive paths laid out by dominant commercial platforms. There is another way, one built around openness, efficiency, respect for users, and thoughtful design. That possibility is what makes Zorin OS 19 so exciting. It represents more than software. It represents an alternative vision for personal computing at a time when many people are ready for something different. Whether you're a longtime Linux enthusiast, a frustrated Windows user, a curious Mac OS owner, or someone simply looking for a better desktop experience. Zorin OS 19 is shaping up to be one of the most important operating system releases to watch. The future of the Linux desktop may not arrive with fanfare from giant tech corporations or billion-dollar marketing campaigns. It may arrive quietly through a polished installer, a beautifully responsive desktop, and a simple realization the moment it boots up, this just works. And if that happens, Zorin OS 19 won't just be another Linux release. It might be the moment the future of desktop computing finally begins.